I'm here to show you how to do the soul duplication glitch on Dark Souls Remastered without the use of a controller, because I have a hard time getting the controller to work on my laptop. So you go over to your items, you're going to have whatever soul you want to duplicate in your second slot. Go ahead to your arrows, make sure you have 999 of them just to make this as efficient as possible. Drop, select 999 but don't actually drop them. Make your way over to the system, and then click E and end with a slight delay when you're hovering over brightness. And it should look like this. Now I keep my mouse on the left side of the screen because when I just had it willy-nilly anywhere, it wasn't really working for me. So once you get this, you go down, E, and this screen is what screwed me up. So right now I'm very slowly coming in on the left side until I get over quit game, and then I go ahead and hit E again, and there we go, I get the use item. Normally when I use my mouse, I keep my mouse on the right side of the screen, and whenever I dragged it across to hover over quit game, it somehow screwed up with the interface underneath it, so I was unable to do the duplication glitch. But if you do as I said, and keep your mouse on the left side and just barely hover over the Q in the quit game, it'll work for you. I'll do it one more time just to prove it wasn't a fluke. Again, soul in the second slot, arrows, drop 999, cancel, down, E, and just inch over, quit game, E, and there I have it.